Welcome to all of you to FICO World. It's great to have you here. This is a conference about accelerating achievement, and we just certainly heard a story about that. It's also about the innovations that can bring you competitive differentiation. And as Will said, at its core, it's about optimizing your interactions with the customers who you serve. It's about smarter customer engagement. On this point, we all share a passion for peak performance. You know, if you are a smart and resourceful person, just like everyone in this room, you can get through the first 90% of most things. But it's that final 10%, that last little bit before the big goal, where you're really tested. This is where you find something about yourself and in yourself that sets you apart, just like the man on this slide. Alex's world has changed by virtue of that final 10%. It can happen in business too. On behalf of all of us at FICO, it's an honor to be in partnership with you. FICO is a family of extraordinarily talented people working closely together to innovate for you. And in partnership, we do. Across many industries, across many continents, business models, across many needs, across many challenges, and across many opportunities. Multiply these photos 1,000 times over. It's the relationships that matter in the pursuit of peak performance. Relationships that form partnerships, and partnerships that make things happen. That final 10% requires a fear no challenge attitude. Alex learned to overcome his fear through preparation. Our industries are utterly transforming by both necessity and opportunity. From changing buyer expectations, from digitally disruptive competitors, from new data sources, and by sophisticated fraudsters using ML themselves. You know, from our global perch, we see challenges, imperatives, best practices, and change. We see the need for growth, for speed, for control, for compliance, for cost efficiency. We see the move to the cloud. We see analytics development moving to open source, the convergence of fraud and compliance, the need for explainability in analytics, for insights into lending affordability, for right outcomes in collections. And we see everywhere in the world, in every industry, in every place, a passion for peak performance to address those forces. What trends will have the greatest impact? New technologies like AI. Janet Adams at TSB calls it the new electricity. AI is being described as the fastest paradigm shift in the history of technology, and it's fueled by the move to the cloud and the exponential growth of alternative data, new algorithms, training data, hardware, cloud, open source, all working together. FICO is driven to get AI into the hands of business stakeholders. FICO is driven to focus on problems that need to be solved. And FICO is driven to explain the why, to explain each decision. And the purpose on this second point is to, as Will said, address changing consumer behavior fueled by a new generation of individuals seeking personalization. And on this third point, the future of open banking, and it's happening everywhere and will all across the world, is an opportunity for growth, where in the open banking platform world, developers plug into your backbone through APIs, and that's an opportunity. It's an opportunity for growth. It's an opportunity for the expansion of new products. You know, at our last FICO World 18 months ago in Miami, we offered this strategy slide, which has governed our actions for years. Cloud first. We have hundreds of clients all around the world on public and private cloud, across applications and tools and omni-channel communications, supported by a world-class cloud team that actually guides product design at FICO. We have a brilliant security team with more than 150 security professionals working on strategy and governance, monitoring and audit, risk and compliance. And with partners like AWS, they provide the infrastructure, and we work with them to manage the rest, application services and operational services. That's cloud first. Analytics forward, beyond business intelligence, to predictive analytics. Beyond predictive analytics to prescriptive analytics. Beyond that, to connected decisions. And beyond that, to centralized decisions, all powered by AI and ML. Cloud first. Analytics forward. And platform enabled. Integrating new sources of alternative data, real time. Managing and optimizing models. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and human intelligence and advanced analytics and tools and templates and blueprints and applications. This next slide, this is our final 10%. We are, at FICO, purposed. We're purposed to innovate and converge FICO solutions onto a connected, intelligent, and efficient enterprise decision platform. Why? To empower business leaders. Why? To optimize consumer engagement across the full life cycle and relationship. To make more profitable decisions across that full life cycle. To put the right offer into the hands of the right customer at exactly the right time. All powered by advanced analytics. Let me tell you a little story, starting with this next slide. You know, we enjoy a rich history of advanced analytics achievement. At FICO, our heritage is applied analytics, a differentiator that sets us apart to this very day, with algorithms for behaviors and components operating at superhuman levels, all packaged for repeatable and defendable use across a wide spectrum of use cases. Today, it is AI and ML at enterprise scale, with innovation in self-directing or self-directed learning, like with AutoML, or instant model creation, as in Instant ML, or pre-configured models for speed, fast to market. We call it solution accelerators. It's applied analytics, applied being the operative word, on an open platform, enabling, underline, business user control. It's in model governance that provides for analytics explainability and defendability and predictability and repeatability. And it's in the fair and ethical use of advanced analytic technologies. We enjoy a rich heritage of DMS achievement. AI dates back decades to the 80s. And one of our early acquisitions at FICO was for a capability called Blaze Advisor for business rules management. Rules that then were combined with optimization, another acquisition we made in the early days of FICO, that combined with advanced analytics, including model building capabilities. It was called Model Builder, now it's called Analytics Workbench. All three of those legs of the stool combine to form the basis of the FICO Decision Management Platform. The Decision Management Platform is the foundation for a new generation of services and capabilities at FICO. It is now decisioning, optimization, streaming analytics, and much more, all together under one roof on one platform. We enjoy a rich heritage of fraud and compliance achievement at FICO. In the early 1990s, a powerful neural network AI capability was built and later acquired by FICO that provided the foundation for transaction fraud monitoring that serves over 9,000 global banks today. Now, a new generation of enterprise fraud capabilities have emerged, evolving from transactional fraud monitoring to an enterprise financial crimes platform, inclusive of real-time payments, inclusive of application fraud, and merchant monitoring, and cybersecurity and risk, and compliance, including AML and KYC, and a whole portfolio of solutions. Just a couple of months ago, in this city, we announced Falcon X, our next generation, single platform, combined fraud and compliance solution. A groundbreaking bring your own models platform powered by AI and ML and the full range of FICO patented technologies. And today, we are announcing the availability of FICO identity proofing and authentication capabilities. We enjoy a rich heritage of customer development achievement. It began organically decades ago at FICO. It's evolved into a single marketing and originations and customer management suite that we refer to as acquire, originate, and grow. Now built on the DMS platform with streaming data for collaboration and real-time decisions, from risk-aware marketing to strategy director, a powerful customer management capability unconstrained by data, scalable in the cloud, and real-time. And coming soon, Originations 5.0, Originations Manager 5.0 on the platform. We enjoy a rich heritage of customer communications capability. You know, way back in the .com era, the leading company for online, real-time shopping cart communications ultimately became the foundation that propelled FICO into the real-time omni-channel communications business. Now, customer communication services from FICO enable coordinated right message at the right time with the right channel communications across that full customer journey. And we've recently launched Flows, a holistic customer communication solution on AWS that serves as a central communications hub where business users with a mouse can just drag and drop right message, right time, right channel communications into workflows with immediate effect. We enjoy a rich heritage of debt management, collections, and recovery achievement. Early acquisitions by FICO established an industry-leading collections and recovery capability for the firm, a full ecosystem of capability, including system of record, best-in-class strategy optimization, and a whole lot more, all now real-time in the cloud and connected to CRM. It's platform informed, pre-configured, and well beyond banking, with clients in merchant acquiring, auto, telco, and government. It was an amazing presentation by Alex. An amazing achievement. The spirit of free solo and climbing at large, the crux move is the hardest of all. The pivotal point. Crux move on any climb is the most challenging as well as the most rewarding. Alex prepared for 10 years for his solo ascent of El Cap. The bolder move was the Crux Climb on that journey. It was a couple of fingers and one toe on 3 small rock nubs and a long stretch with one leg to the wall on the left. Thousands of feet in the air with no rope. For a year, Alex stretched that leg to reach longer and more predictably, and we can all understand why. At FICO, we're climbing through our crux move, and it's all for your benefit. Efficiency, savings, collaboration, time to value, a single view of analytics, and optimized customer engagement. We will deliver a final 10% that no one else will do. Just as I don't see anyone ready to duplicate Alex's effort anytime soon, I don't see anyone close to achieving the vision that we're delivering at FICO. As our statement of strategic intent says, we at FICO are purposed to innovate and converge capabilities onto a connected, intelligent, and efficient enterprise decisioning platform. Why? To empower business leaders. Why? To optimize consumer engagement across the full life cycle and relationship. This is our point of competitive differentiation in service to you. And it's your opportunity, go back to the title slide, to accelerate achievement in the age of digital transformation. And we can help you on this journey. And that journey can begin wherever you are. It can begin with a simple solution to satisfy an isolated need, or it can begin with the platform itself. There are nearly 500 FICO experts in this room today, ready to talk to you now. Welcome to FICO World 2019. Thank you for being here, because I know it's a huge commitment. 62 countries, long journeys, a whole week of your time. We so much appreciate the commitment of time that you've made to this conference this week. We so much appreciate the business. Let's build relationships this week and a partnership to make your business grow. Thank you all very much, and welcome to FICO World.